In today's video, I will show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Odoo. So now this is very simple, you just have to follow my steps and you will learn how you can do it. Firstly, you want to open your odoo.com. I'm currently in my website editor, but it's same as you would like to be on main dashboard. And you just want to go to your profile and my databases. From here, you should see your database. So this is my database, and you want to click on this gear wheel, then domain names. And from here, you can use your own domain or get a new domain if you don't have, but we have GoDaddy domain, so we are going to use my own domain. And here in this field, you just want to paste your domain from GoDaddy. So I will open GoDaddy and you want to go to your domain settings, or basically your domain portfolio. So I have only this domain, so I can copy it. And firstly, you want to type www dot like this and then paste your domain. And then we need to perform the following operations in your domain manager. So create a CNAME record with name www pointing to this value. So you can copy this value like this. Now we can go back to GoDaddy, and under dashboard you want to go to domain, and from here we want to find the DNS settings. So it's next to overview, so click on DNS. And firstly I want to mention that if you have existing CNAME record like me and you will create a new CNAME record, it will show you conflicting error. So basically it's not going to work. So you have to remove an existing CNAME record. So I have this www, so I will click on this search icon. Yes, confirm. I can also delete also this one. And now we can add our CNAME record without any issues. So I will click on add a new record, type choose CNAME. And in the name you want to type www. And then paste the value which you copied from Odoo. And now we can hit save. Updating this record, your success. So we have this first record added. And now I think there is one more step we need to do. And if you want to use the naked domain, your domain.com, you need to redirect. So basically you just need to redirect our domain to www. So whenever someone enters this domain without the www, it will redirect him automatically on this one. So you will not like lose traffic. So we can go back to GoDaddy and you want to open forwarding. And you want to add forwarding for your domain. And here you just want to type www dot, and you want to copy your own domain. So this is my domain, so I will copy it. You will have your own domain. And then you're gonna paste it here like this. Forward type, you want to make sure to make it permanent. And then click save. Okay, so forwarding is done. And now we should have all steps from Odoo. And you can click on this blue button which says verify. And if you see this DNS configuration seems good, it means you did everything alright. And if you still not see it, you just need to wait a couple of more minutes, because it can be still checking that if you're added like your DNS records in the GoDaddy. So be patient, but in most cases it's going to be immediately. And if you try to enter your website, as you can see, www, this is the web domain which I connected, it's going to show you your connection isn't private. And the reason is because the SSL certificate is still not like ready. So this may take like, I don't know, maybe a couple of hours. So once that is done, you can use your domain. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.